What you doing, Erin?
What?
What are you doing?
Feeding them steel
What are you feeding them?
Doritos.
Steel Doritos, huh?
It's so cute. I never feed the ducks Doritos.
I know. I think they like them.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yes, definitely. Are you making a movie?
I am.
Enough for every duck.
Come chill and share, huh?
Yeah. And I can lick my fingers.
No, don't lick your fingers. Wash them off when you're done.
They love it.
Whoa. Why do you think they get so crazy over the Doritos?
Maybe they really love that.
I think you're right.
They're going to be so slow.
I know. You might have to stop in a few minutes because they'll keep eating as long as you keep feeding them.
They're so small.
They are.
And I never got on a boat.
I guess you haven't, have you? Only from the duck.
you always get people.
Oopsie, did I go upside down?
And from people.
Probably not good that we feed them a lot every day, though. Because then they'll expect it every day.
This will be a great movie. Oh, poor duck. Poor duck. They want it too, but they're not getting food. Don't worry. I'll give you it.
They must be the shy one. Oh, look at the boy one.
Yes.
He's
Oh,
starting to
how
get
did
his
I
color.
do that? Enough for everybody.
Yeah.
What?
Goodbye.